Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM SLIDE CAP3. So this is the top view of it. As you can see, it has the product name, the Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM SLIDE CAP3, the code for it 2350, the expiry, the lot number. As you can see, it is an IVD product. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It is a 24 pack product made in Japan. It has a barcode for you to scan, and on the front side of it you can see the manufacturing address, the Fujifilm Corporations, made in Tokyo, Japan. And as you can see, this is the other side of it. It's a very small 24 pack kit. So as you can see, this is the Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM SLIDE CAP3. The code for it is 2350. You can find the expiry here. The lot number is 100806. And you can face a 24 pack made in Japan. IVD product, need to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. This is made in Japan. You can find it here. So this is about the Fujifilm dry chemistry slide. Thank you.